All right, folks, let's talk about adding measures to the x-axis in Power BI. Sounds simple, right? Well, not quite. Power BI likes to keep measures on a tight leash, refusing to let them roam free on the x-axis. But don't worry, there are ways to sneak past this restriction. From field parameters to creative table structures, picking the right approach makes all the difference. Buckle up because this ride is about to get interesting. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to the world of Power BI axes. Think of them like lanes on a highway. Your data needs clear lanes to drive through smoothly. The x-axis, that's usually reserved for categories. The y-axis, that's where numbers shine. But when you try to squeeze a measure into the x-axis, Power BI gives you the classic access denied look. But don't worry, we'll tackle that issue with some workarounds soon. Measures are like Power BI's secret agents, silent, effective, and always calculating something behind the scenes. They aren't static numbers, but dynamic calculations that update based on context. That's what makes them powerful yet tricky to use in visualizations. But don't worry, with a little creativity, we can make them behave on an x-axis. Now let's talk about why Power BI throws a fit when measures step onto the x-axis. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Measures work best in calculations, not as direct categorical labels. Power BI prefers keeping them in aggregation mode rather than lining them up like soldiers on the x-axis. But fear not, we have clever ways to get around this. Ever struggled with selecting the right measure? Well, using a disconnected table makes it simple. It lets us switch between different measures dynamically without altering the dataset. This technique improves flexibility, keeps calculations clean, and makes reports more interactive. Think of it as picking toppings on a pizza. Choose what you want without changing the whole base. Numbers alone can feel dull, right? Conditional formatting is like adding colors to a black and white movie. It brings life to your charts. This technique ensures important metrics stand out, making insights clearer. So whether it's highlighting trends or spotting anomalies, your reports will be visually engaging and easy to interpret. Static axes can be frustrating, right? Imagine driving a car with a speedometer stuck at one speed. It's useless. Using DAX to adjust the x-axis dynamically makes data visualization adaptable, helping users understand trends with ease. No more squeezing big numbers into tiny spaces or stretching small ones unnecessarily. Ever seen a chaotic dashboard? It's like a messy wardrobe, you don't know where to start. Using best practices when visualizing measures on the x-axis helps maintain clarity. Keep labels readable, use the right chart type, and avoid stuffing too much information. A clean, well-structured visualization makes all the difference. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.